Good morning, happy Sunday. I decided to vlog today and just show you guys what I'm up to on this lazy Sunday. We officially got back from Puerto Rico a week ago today, and we've just been busy with work and trying to get everything organized. We got back, we got COVID tested. Our test came back on Thursday. Everything is good. We are all negative, so now we feel more comfortable going out and about. And today we are just, or me, Joseph is off playing soccer, Junior's upstairs, and I'm going to tackle this kitchen. It is pretty messy. We have an extra microwave there because our microwave hasn't been working. It works on and off when it wants to. It's working now. It wasn't working like 30 minutes ago. So we have that one there as a backup. I have to call and get it fixed. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna make some chicken because I'm hungry. And I'm also gonna make tomato basil soup. That is one of my favorite soups. Super easy to make. I'm gonna go ahead and make that as well after I clean up a little bit. And that's all I have planned for today. So let's do a little time lapse. Oh my God, it's so dark. Hold on. I don't know, I gotta fix the lighting. But anyways, after I'm done cleaning, I do wanna get up my tree. I forgot to mention that earlier. I wanna have my tree up. I'm not gonna decorate it just yet because I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy new ornaments or stick with the ones I had last year, but I do wanna get the tree up. So that's another reason I wanna clean this whole entire floor. This is our main floor. I live in a 3-story townhouse, and the second story is where the kitchen is, the dining area, and the living room. So this is where we spend most of our time, so it gets messy quicker. So I want to just have everything nice and clean, organized, put up the tree, put up the lights, that whole vibe. I'm feeling very, very Christmassy. I'm feeling very holiday-ish. So that's what I want to do today. I really wanted to put up the tree this past week, but it was just too early, you know what I mean? So I'm doing it today. But I'm not gonna decorate today. I'm gonna decorate slowly and for sure have everything done by the 1st. So I have, or before Thanksgiving. I want the tree up by Thanksgiving. So I have about 2 weeks left. So hopefully I could get that done today as well. Okay, so here's my chicken. I'm just gonna clean it up, trim it. I like my chicken to be just nice and clean. And then I like to kind of pre-make certain things in bulk for the week. So here I have rice and beans. I have corn, but I do like to make the chicken fresh. I usually marinate it the day before, but I didn't have time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. Saute it in my pan, and that's gonna be lunch.
Who goes there?
Good morning.
I said get up. Ow! Sex machine.
Happy Christmas Eve. We are vlogging today. This is my morning face and morning hair. I have not touched my hair since I woke up, so this is real. My nosy, it's a little red here. It hurts. I got a facial yesterday and she went in on my nose. I told her to get rid of all my blackheads because I'm not able to do it on my own. Every time I try, it just hurts so much. My eyes get watery, so I don't do it. So today is Christmas Eve and we're gonna clean up the house. The house is a mess. We're gonna clean up the living room, clean the kitchen. I'm gonna wash my hair today. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my hair. Hair videos are like the most popular, even though I really do enjoy doing vlogs. I have started so many vlogs and I haven't finished them, so I'm thinking of just combining all of these little random clips into one video and just posting it and see what comes up. But yeah, we're gonna go clean. We have to go to the grocery store really quick. Even though we went yesterday, I forgot 2 ingredients. I'm gonna make some Coquito. We might go to Daytona 500 because they have like a light drive-through show. Is that what it is, babe?
Yeah, it's not Daytona 500, it's Daytona at the Speedway. They have like a light show.
Oh yeah, in the Daytona Speedway, they have some sort of drive-through light show. So we might do that just to kind of get the Christmas spirit. It's really hard to get Christmas vibes in Florida because the weather is just so warm all the time. It doesn't really feel like Christmas. So we have to go out there and get it. We have to go out there and search for the Christmas vibes. So yeah, that's it. That's all we got going on. I have to wrap presents later.
Hello there. Man, this was recording the whole time?
The highest tomorrow is 54.
Ooh!
We're gonna wake up in the 30s, 34 degrees.
We're gonna have a cold Christmas, finally! How exciting!
Wow, look. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, all sunshine. Cold fronts.
Woohoo! I'm excited. Me, this thing sucks. So we're making coquito. The first one is the traditional way. The second one, I'm gonna do latte. And then you're gonna add the té or the tea or the brew to the coquito, which is, I don't want to say not traditional. The first one is more traditional. I guess it depends on your family and your family recipe. So the second one, for the tea, for the té, you're gonna do 1 cup of water. You're gonna add some ginger. You could do ground ginger or regular ginger, which is what I'm doing. And you're gonna add cinnamon sticks and cloves, and then you're gonna bring it to a boil. And then once you bring it to a boil, you put it aside and you just let it simmer. And then you add that to the coquito mixture. So that's gonna be the second one, and that's gonna be the one that I'm gonna be showing you guys. I got a splinter and it's bugging me. But yeah, let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna start off with my 1 cup of water.
Look at this can opener. I just opened up 6 cans in 30 seconds. Cranking them out.
Do you wanna show? So we have 1 cup of water, and this is gonna be the té, and then you're gonna add 2 to 3 sticks of cinnamon. You're gonna add some ground nutmeg. This is optional, you don't have to do the nutmeg. The traditional way is just the cinnamon sticks, ground ginger or the actual ginger, and cloves. You could do 10, 20 cloves, it really depends on your taste. So then you're gonna bring it to a boil, let it simmer afterwards, and then add that to the coquito, per taste. So we're gonna do 3 because I love canela.
What's canela?
Canela, cinnamon. I'm gonna do about 12 cloves. Que rico, it smells so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at that. Perfect. 12 cloves. Some people do 20. You can do less than that. And just a pinch of ginger. Smells so good. Not too much, not too little. So let that boil a little bit and then just put it aside for a simmer. I have it on medium heat. Now, for the coquito. Otra vez. Just cutting myself left and right.
Is this better than eggnog?
Man, we don't talk about eggnog in this family.
When you date a Latina, you cannot bring up eggnog in this household.
Put forward.
So this bald eagle had to switch to Coquito.
Cinnamon, obsessed, love, must have. If you're doing, this is gonna be a virgin coquito, but if you do coquito with Palo Viejo or Bacardi or white rum or whatever it is that you use, and you don't want the specks of the cinnamon to show in the coquito, you add the cinnamon to the alcohol, to the liquor, you mix it together and it dissolves all of the cinnamon, but you still get the flavor, but not the little specks. You know what I mean, babe?
Yes.
You know, no, seriously, you know how like when, like I'm gonna add this to that, but then you're gonna see all the little cinnamon grounds. But if you add it straight to the alcohol, to the liquor, it dissolves it. So so you get like a clean looking batch.
The alcohol dissolves the cinnamon.
Exactly.
But without the alcohol, then you get that.
Without the alcohol, then you get that.
You get that.
You get the flavor, but not the little specks.
Yes. But we like alcohol, no?
No, this is gonna be a virgin.
What?
Yes. I prefer the virgin over the.
Well, I guess I'll come back in your years.
This is gonna thicken after you put it in the fridge. Right now it's liquidy, but it will thicken. I think I want more cinnamon. So good. And it's warm, it's not cold. You know, when it's cold, it tastes different.
Yeah, good.
Should we add nutmeg?
Yeah, nutmeg, a little bit of rum.
Just a little boop, boop. That's it.
Sprinkle that magic.
Oh yeah, that's way better. Taste that.
Woo!
Do you taste the difference?
Yeah, nutmeg does a difference.
Yeah, it's so good. Now we're gonna add the té.
Get that!
The té or the brew, whatever you wanna call it. So I got a strainer, I got the té, and you don't add the whole, this is 8 ounces, I'm gonna do about 4. I don't add the whole thing. Add a little more, boom. Yummers.
How about if we put it in the freezer?
We can do that too. Yeah, Rico, taste that.
Woo!
It's good, right? Eggnog who? Not in this house. We have our bottle. We're just gonna pour it in there.
Fill it up to the top.
Right there. You can't fill it up all the way because you need space to shake it up once it thickens.
Oh, yeah.
So you want to leave a little bit of space so that you have room to shake it. There you go.
Look at that.
Homemade coquito. It literally takes like 5 minutes. It's super easy and super delicious and a staple in the Puerto Rican household, people.
Yep. That's what you call Puerto Rican moonshine.
Puerto Rican coquito. That's it. We're good.
All right.